If your dryer has no display, or cycles won't change, or buttons you push don't have any impact on your selections, then you may have a problem directly with the control board. So on some machines, the control panel may be the entire console, the touch interface, as well as the control board that runs it. On other machines, those will be separate components. So you may need to do a little bit of work in trying to establish as whether it's just a button that's stuck. Most cases with electronic boards such as this, they'll generally promote a failure code if you've got a stuck button or something in particular in regards to the board has gone the wrong way. They'll usually give you a failure code. On some models it'll just be a series of lights that flash, or it may actually come up and display like in E04 or an F20 or something like that, and you'll have to refer either to your owner's manual or call in a service technician to get it diagnosed completely.